Alright guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video I'm gonna be showing you how to real world hacking can look like. So we can uploading real world hacking on the YouTube, but I'm gonna be showing you how to is working with the Try Hack Me room. It's matrix access needed. This difficulty is really hard. And then we are all gonna be actually learning here how to real world hacking is look like. So the people is generally thinking about the hackers just crack the password, hack the Instagram, Gmail or something like that. But it's my goal is cybersecurity is a really difficult file for the people, I think. So they don't understand how the hackers are doing something stuff on their life. But I'm gonna be show you the hacking or cybersecurity is really hard content or really hard file. And then in this video we are all gonna be doing this of the cybersecurity is the Recon is definitely we have to be doing Recon, weaponization, password attacks, write the Python code, and then another things to here or ASCII injection. Is it too many steps we are all gonna be see on this video. Okay, so that means this video's goal is how the real world hacking is looking like. So I think you are now understanding what we're gonna be do. So alright, that's cool, I think. So now we have some IP addresses, and the first thing the hackers have to be hack the server, and the hackers have to be gathering information about the server. So this could be our basics with the any tool to here on the Kali Linux. You know, we are now using here the Kali Linux file in this video, right? So now it's time to have to be gathering information. So that means there is definitely Recon, and how the Recon work and how the hackers gathering information about the system and server to here. So we are all gonna be checking it. So for example, we are check it here. So linuxby.com site to here, you can check it like that. Is it the first thing? If you wanna be hack the server, you have to be understand what does it mean port and protocol, because you have to be communication on the server with this port, and definitely the port has a protocol, and which protocol they're using here. So the first thing you have to be starting on your Linux or on your Kali Linux the Nmap scan for the server. You know what does it mean? Because we are get communication with the port on the server. So this is the first thing for gathering information about the website. We are just gathering information about here the port and protocol. So the Nmap means our networks mapper is we are just looking into network at the server, and -sc, and this command is giving us this to just default scripts of the server, and -sv is giving us this version number, and -pn is over here definitely, and you have to copy this IP address for the gathering information and pasting here and just hit enter. So this command is just giving us this about the server. All port is not actually all port, because we are giving here this default scripts, and then we can actually start in here the scan the all port. I'm gonna be showing how it's gonna be working. So this is the first thing we are looking for at this on this IP addresses with in this port scanner is a network mapper tool is here. So you are now have to the port and protocol network mapper is working here. So it definitely the another things is could be this is the most important things for it. So the another thing is definitely you have to be understanding website, but now we are just looking into so what web is this. For example, you can use here what web, for example, add those IP addresses and what they are using here, and how the is what version you're using or something like that. You can understanding here with this command is what web. Yes, they are using on this systems, so that means is the 2100 is okay to here, as an 80 port is open. They are using for the software is Apache. Cookies is over there, is country reserved, so you can see in here. And then HTTP server is Ubuntu Linux, and then HTTP only they are using jQuery, secret tags, or Linux by. So different information you can gather in here is like directly. So let me go here my documents and make there here matrix, and go the matrix directory. So let me open there the nodes. Alright, sublime tags node.txt. so this could be like there definitely. So let me using it like that, so it's not gonna be working. Okay, so let me use it like that. Yes, so we are just knowing here so important things, so you can actually copy this for the doing what you're gonna be doing before, but we have to be is definitely give to here the command, what command is giving us this. So we are now gathering information about the website, and then we are waiting for this Nmap scan ending. So the another things you can use here, dig xcfr like that is definitely, and you have to be understanding what domain they are using or the DNS they are using. So let me try here. It could be exit denit dot try hack me. It could be, I don't know, exit dash denit dot try hack me at on this IP addresses for looking at the DNS server. Connection is refuted, failed. Okay, there is not DNS here, so we are just looking into this Nmap scan result. You can checking is with controller X the scan timing to here. Alright, we are just waiting for the Nmap scan or the other things to here, but we can have to be using it. So before the using it, I think we have to be understanding website here. Yes, this website is actually look like on bridge forums. Do you know bridge forums is generally people share the links for the important website. So they are using here linksby.com. There, there's an home directory. This is an home directory here. And in the most important, I think, at the hacking the server, you have to be understanding the website, what website they are using here. Members, you can see is over there the members, and then you will understanding here they are using member list.php command to here, member list php command to here. So they are hide their the member at the php command. Yeah, that means, or if you're click the wannabe, you will get this the UID is equal to 3. For example, if you are give the UID for 64, I don't know, the member you specify either not invalid. So let me try less. For example, is 10. Yes. So that means if they are using here member.php and then there's a question mark and action is equal something as a profile and UID, you have to be thinking over here. Yes, I know there is an SQL injection. So we are not sure. I am sure to hear there's an SQL injection vulnerability, but we don't know how we can use it. So before do this, you have to be waiting for it. Okay. So we get a here Nmap result. There's a 22 port is open. 22 port is generally using SSH protocol. So if we needed to be to access the terminal, we have to be using SSH for getting the reverse shell here. NAD port is open, and we can check it then here. And the most important port is, I think, is over there is 3306 is MySQL. So they are using here some MySQL injections, could be like there, right? Definitely. And then this is capabilities flags on this MySQL result to here. Yes. Okay, so let me copy this and then add my node to here, right? So this is the Nmap result right here, Nmap. So we are gathering information about the website, and then the website, actually the server network protocol here. So if you wanna be actually guys here, scan all ports, you can use -p -vv, and then you just have to be come over here and one more time to copy this, and then you will see there how the real world hackings to scan all the ports here. All right, I think we are understanding the UID here. For example, if I'm gonna be giving here now 56, I'm just gonna looking for the 5. It's changing for me the user here. So let me go to help, and there is how to posting, and the user instance is updating profile. All right. For example, at the posting, my code. All right. This tag is bold here, right? All right. They're using PHP my admin here. Yes. All right. And we have to be know is here. They are using PHP my admin, and at the help variable is over there. They are using HAID. So if I'm gonna say the team, is there some team? Yes. The super moderator is Black Cat, and administrator is Big Paul. This is a show team.php or the member list. I don't know. So let me go to help. Nothing to here. For example, register, and it is a register page and the login. So we are checking the sum actual to here, guys. If you are checking like that, this we got the sum directory, but for the directory scan, you are definitely using here GoBuster. So GoBuster is giving us this, if is there some credential directory words they are using, it will giving us directly to here. So GoBuster we are generally using for the looking into user share word list, GoBuster directory list 2.3 and medium.txt. So the GoBuster is just giving us this brute force attack about this IP addresses on the 80 port to here the brute force attack for the directory. For example, at the here the login, but you cannot check it manually. So it could be your it's really, oh my god, give up now. There is no skill from matrix. What? Why are you doing nothing to here? Oh my god, let me check in here the flag. Give up now. There is no escape from the matrix. So we are gathering something different here. But the GoBuster is giving us here, guys, different things we have to be looking into the directory. So you cannot actually using directory list on the website. So you have to be starting here GoBuster for the doing it with this so fastly and with brute force attack. So and then you have to be give this IP address, and you have to be choose your directory list here, and the -x. So -x means your extension. You know what does it mean, extension? For example, you are looking for login.txt, login.php, login, HTML, all of things here we are giving here. So if you are click here the enter, you will see there how many and how it's gonna be working this to here, guys. Yes, how it's gonna be working here the GoBuster scan, and you will see there. For example, if you are checking in the admin page, you will nothing to see here. For example, there is no admin directory here. Yeah, we are now is they are using my BB here, but now the time there is nothing to do. First thing, so follow the white rabbit completed. All right. So actually we are not looking into at the question, but it's could be are giving us. So there is a too many. If you are checking like that, there is a too many directory to here. For example, at the member list PHP we got it before, if you remember, and then you will see there the member list here directly, is it? So the first thing, and then we have to be understanding how the member list we are gathering on or to Kali Linux here directly. So it will take your time too much for writing all of them to here. So there's how many user is over there, let me checking it. So there's a wannabe hacker, the member list is 2 is over there, and the Willis, I'm just actually looking into what is different. So if you want to be hacker, you have to be checking into what is the different. And if you're checking here, the wheels is really different here. So they have the, for example, is the avatar is over there, and I'm checking for total posts, and they have the posts. And then if I'm gonna say here final post, thank you, search has been submitted, but the giving us the message, we are returned using query information provided. Please redefine your search theme and again. So what is this? I don't know what is the here error, right? Alright, let me register here. I think it's time to be registered on the website. Alright, guys. Okay. Now it's time to register on the website and gathering more information. So we are gathering information on the directory, the network mapper for the protocol and port, and now looking for the what web is they are using here directly, right? So it's time to be a register. Username. My username is alright, let me check in here linear algebra, and the password. Alright, so my password could be try hack me. Alright, confirm password, try hack me. Yes. Email. My email is task.taskcom and the task.taskcom again. So, if you are referred it, no, I am not referred it. Which animal is the Linux mascot? It's parrot. No, it's yeah, it's parrot. Is it? So this could be a difference. So I wanna be asked this ChatGPT. Alright. As it could be your, yes, parrot. Is it tax? Tax. Alright, it's tax. Tax. The answer you provided for the security question is wrong. Okay. Is it wrong? Alright, the password is try hack me. Try hack me. Which animal Linux mascot? Is it penguin? Yes, it's a penguin, right? No. Alright. Time zone to here. Submit registration. Is it wrong? Is a penguin. Alright, try hack me. Again, try hack me. Summary registration. Yes. Alright, we are successful registration is over here. So now it's time to be understanding this website directly. So we are using here our Recon skills and gathering information. So now it's time to be using our gathering information skills to more. Alright, so this is some attachment is over there. But we're just looking into, for example, let me go to member and then checking for the second page, and then we all gonna be seeing here Willis, and then the Willis, yes. Total post, find all posts. Thank you, research you submitted will not be. Alright, they are using here treat book bounty program. So let me checking into book bounty program here. What is the book bounty program? We are committed to protecting our community from future cyber attacks. If you are a security expert and enthusiast, we actively participate finding security holes in web application. The Linux by needs you to participate. All you needed is ensure you report any minor weakness to the following page. Is book bounty HQ is over there. So we have to be checking into. This is some different, I think, important directory for us to hear. And I think even the wheels giving us this just like there, and alright, so let me go back here. Let me go one more back. I'm looking for threads. Okay, there is no threads from the village. So let me go to here one more round the members. And now I'm just gonna be checking into log. And for example, in the black cat is super moderators is over there. So can we check at the black cat posters is over there? So I think we have to be understanding something at this here. Spam issue on my mail server. Is there any important thing you have to be checked? Nope. This is just for helping someone. Alright, this is the news. Alright, PC repair with effort is the news again. PC crashed again. It could be important. It's about this PC. Alright, so threads. Let me checking into threads here. PC repair it. Alright, from the update. So this means our administrator, I think we have to be go. So let me checking final threads to here. So this is the hacking, guys. Alright, you have to be understanding how the hacking look like. You have to be analyzing all of things here about the server. So for example, in the same thing with Willis and the admin to here, they are using bug bounty program. So if the admin give this bug bounty program with this directory, that means this directory is really important. So we have to go this directory here directly, and then understanding here something. So bug bounty report form disable under, but we cannot actually access to here writing something, right? All right. So let me checking into controller U to here. Yeah, they are redirected at reportpanel.php. Alright, we have no access to write something here, but we know about this, what this the report form is redirected. They are redirecting on reportpanel.php. So we got different yes, we got different directory here. So I think that answer could be exactly is equal to that. Yes, now we are knowing is we getting here the report panel.php at or directory scan. I don't know. Yes, is there any different important we have to be understanding? Yeah, they are using or have the report panel PHP function working like here. Alright, let me go here report panel.php. So we have to be analyzing our new directory is over there directly, guys. Okay. Yes. Now we are checking into user bug bounty reports is over there directly, right? Yes. Okay. That's really cool. So this is the bug bounty program of this website, and then we are actually accessing it. So we can use this bug bounty program for the gathering some information about this website. So security level is low, they are just reflected XSS. So reflecting XSS is not too important for us. It's my MBB before, but we are now at the my MBB now. New reapply the PHP command to here. We have to be analyzing. Cross-site security forgeries, escalation injection vulnerability handler my BB aka my bullet board. Alright. Escalation injection vulnerability user the handler my BB. Alright, V6 plugin. User data handler. Okay. XSS possible via being added here. I found poorly the R4 function. XML HTTP PHP allows reads using command injection. Okay. Let me checking AdWords Alexandra's bug bounty is critical. You will see is over there. This is really critical. So they are giving us to here. Your my MBB login system is not using any captcha mechanism or failed login time out methods, which makes it very vulnerable to password spray attacks. Considering several surveys have found 3 on 5 user weak passwords such as. Alright, so we are gathering here weak password for the user, and that is password 123, password 123, crayfish, Linux, secrets, biggie bank, Windows XP, like that. All right, so we have to be use this password for the crack it. All right, so that means our need to goal is hack this some users account is like with this weak password. So let me go here my notes again. So let me say here password.txt with nano is definitely nano passwords.txt. all right, so the first password is equal that is definitely right. Okay, so we can use a little like that. Password 123 and second one is equal that, and then the third one is crayfish. all right, and then the Linux 123. So we got some password to here, and then time to be brute force attack for the account user, but we don't know which user is used this passwords, so weak password here, so we don't know how we can actually checking user. So we have to be actually brute force attack for the user even to here for to check them check their password directly to here. Okay, so this is the first is James123 is like here, right? So let me control R and control X to here. So we are now the passwords.txt is over there, but we have no users which user has this password, so we have to be installing on our Kali Linux the user list directly. So let me go here the members, and then if I'm gonna be controlling U to here, can we check the user directly? Alright, it could be R into the strong variable is over there. So yeah, so for example, Big Paul, wannabe hacker. Alright, it's over there. Alright, it's over there. That's cool. So we can actually check them with manually. That is really cool. Alright, let me say here. But it could be a take our time too much. And we know they are using for the user UID is over there, is like that. So I think we can actually coding here Python for to get all members of this website, because it could be our the 1 million, you know, it could be our 1 million to user at the website. So we have to be checking it with the Python command. And then it's the most hard things about the cybersecurity is user the Python file. This is the most, oh my god, what's wrong? Alright, this is the actually to here guy most how can I say, I don't know, but is the most hard things about the website is, so write the Python code for the crack at something. So let me giving here some the like that for me, so for light. Alright, so let me go here, so let me open at my Google Chrome for you. So it's about to look in my face. Alright, so we are coding here, so gathering all the users. So what we are now here, they have some SQL injection and then if you are click any user to here, it will give you some profile UID is over there. So if you're checking in the for, change the user for you. So if we are brute force attack on this yes, on this on here with the with the Python command, with the Python codes, we can get all the user here. So it could be your I told you it could be your 1 million user is over here. So we have to be using Python command for there, because we are real hacker. We are not lamer and we are not secret kitty. Okay, we are really hacker. So alright, so let me start in here. Okay, the first thing, we are hackers generally using request module on the Python. The most I actually, at my own Python code, I'm using the request module is over there because this is really cool module for the hacker, because they are just requests on this here. For example, let me show you why we are using it. So if you're checking the burp suite, and let me say here the open my burp to here, why we are using the request. If it's the real world hacking, I'm gonna be showing you everything, okay? Don't worry about it. Alright, so intercept is on here and open the burp. So if you are, for example, give it, so it will give you under, let me send them repeater, and then let me checking in the repeater is over there. For example, you will see there is some different user is over there, but we are using here the get request and the post request is over there. So why we are using here the request model on the Python. Alright, so then other things we are using threading, import threading from thread, yes. No, from threading, import thread. From threading, import thread. Yes. And the another model is from time, import sleep. We are using the sleep module is over there. And another from base 64 encoding. You know, is could be a base 4. Now is a base 4 import at the beautiful soap. So beautiful soap. This is the module we have to be using here. Alright, now we have to be actually creating here enumerator class. Enumerator, let me say in here enumerator. If I'm gonna be doing it alright. Enumerator. Yes, could be like that. Enumerator, yes. Okay, so the first thing is definitely we are using here def init, like that, right? Def init. So we have to be getting spaces here, and or init file we are attribute self, and then we are using with URL, right? Like that, and then leave the semicolon, and the self URL could be equal to like self URL is could be equal to URL variable is over there. Why we are using here self. Now we are attribute the self here. Okay, now it's time to be getting some function here again with send request. Now we are sending here request from the at this URL, and then the, for example, give the 5 or 4 and 6 or the trying the old here. So why we're using this function is over there. Alright, so it could be our self again is definitely and UID. So I'm using our semicolon again, and then it could be our request result is a request result, or request result is equal to this is request result could be equal to here request yes, request getting here what this could be getting here app function with app function, and we are definitely you have to be use it, and self that URL is over there we got it before. Is it could be equal that self URL is over there. Yes, self URL is could be equal like that, and then it's definitely UID, right? Alright, that's cool. And then the soap, why we're using the soap here, and the soap is why we're using this middle is over there. We are using our soap method here. It could be our beautiful soap method. Use the beautiful soap method, and then request is here request here is not, is a request, no it's not, request result dot text for the you know, save it at the HTML dot parser. Yes, it's gonna be like that. Definitely we are using it. So now it's the most important things here. If okay, the well, we have to be checking here. So what is the error message? For example, let me check in here 64 again. The memory is to specify either is doesn't exist. So if this when we getting the send a request of this user, and if it's giving us doesn't exist, is like there is doesn't exist, but for then we have to be using this. No, it could be like here doesn't exist. It's could be equal to in, so indefinitely in at the soap get text. So let me say here soap get text. It could be like that. And if the memory you specify either invalid or doesn't exist, so this is the or error message, you know, just exit it. Alright, so let me exit it. But else, so it's not else, but it's else username. So let me attribute the here value is username sub title on the string at this value is the username at the subtitle string, print. Now we are now the here guy a user for the check the user here. We are all gonna be using like that is f, and giving here the user 6 found valid username like here. It's definitely, and then giving here the username like with this parenthesis username like here is definitely. So what we are doing here, we are sending a request from this URL, and then if it's giving us this message the memory is specified is either invalid or doesn't access, it's an exit on this Python code, but it's the username at the subtitle strings. It's giving us on the terminal with found valid username, and the giving output at their username is over there directly. And then with open, so for the actually this is for the save it on the system. Alright, let me save it on username.txt. is we have to be giving here a, and as file. Now we are just save it on the username txt, and definitely you have to be giving your file rights, and then the for save it at the username variable, and with the could be or with this dash n. No, it's not dash n, it's the, you know, it's could be or like here abcd and abcd could be like here. Alright, so this is cool. So we are just check the username and save it on the username txt at with this f username is like here definitely. So now we are give the Python codes how it's gonna be working, and now it's just it's ending actually. Now it's just we have to be check it this URL. No, it's not if main. So we are just have to be giving it URL connection is like that. It's could be too easy. All right. So this URL, the URL is equal to what is URL is equal that, right? Action profile UID. So let me open it, and then you have to be give it here UID is null, because we are not using here the any importing using here. All right, and then could be our enumerator enumerator will be equal to enumerator at the URL, like that. It's definitely, but there is no dot. Okay, for UID in range at the 1 from the 1 and 100, and it could be our thread here. Thread is equal to thread target is enumerator send requests with arguments is equal to UID, and then thread start here again and sleep for the 0 and 0 0 2 time. And alright, so alright, let me ending this code. If the name is equal to what? We have to be giving a double equal if they equal to main, and then let me giving here the main semicolon. Alright, let me run it. So we are writing here too fast. I hope it's gonna be working. Python 3 users.python UID. So what's UID? Alright, there is no I because the I value is equal to UID to here. Let me control save again. Cannot import name. Beautiful soap. Okay, B. It could be our beautiful. It's like that, right? Controller save. One. Type error. Main enumerator send request is over there. Okay. It could be related. Thread is equal to thread target, and then enumerator send request at the args UID is over there. And what? There is no error, I think. No, there is no error. What is the first error here? Read lam ask the chat GPT. What is the difference? Okay, well, I don't know what's different. Okay, did you mean beautiful soap? Yeah, I did. What? I don't know how to beautiful soap is writing. Yes, I mean beautiful soap. Beautiful soap. Yes, I did. Where? Oh, it's over here. Okay. Controller C. Oh my god, is again? This could be or something. Alright, we have to be adding here this. Oh my god, I told you guys this is real. Yes, yes, our Python code is working here. We got all the username of the website. Cat usernames txt is over here, or usernames txt is over here. So our username is working here, right? That's cool, man. That's really cool. Okay. What is the name of interested plugin? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. Alright, that's really cool. So maybe don't know, but this is really cool. Okay? Check the check the username of the website is really cool thing. Alright, we now have the all username list of this website. So time to be I think it's time to be brute force attack of this website, but let me checking how it's looking like to add the burp suit. Let me proxy intercept zone burp. Username is linear algebra. Login. Okay. Am I gonna be no? Wait. I'm checking one more time. Linear algebra. And then intercept zone again. Let me login page. Go to send this repeater. Let me check the turn off. Okay. So this is really look like an hard for the using here Hydra. Yes. It's look like really hard using Hydra here. So let me open it at the Hydra usage for this, but it's really complicated. It's really complicated using Hydra here, but I'm gonna be try. Okay. Dash tweets. Yes, we have to be giving here tweets. Yes, there is a tweet error to here we are getting. Okay, so now let me checking it, but there is no. Okay, we have password, we have username, but we have no brute force code here. So again, we have to be write a Python code. Okay, sublime text attack.python. Again, we have to be coding here. Okay, it's definitely import request we have to be using, and import here. Anyway, so we are definitely using here trading. So let me using here trading again. Import trade. Okay, let me try to write. Okay, definitely we have to be starting with to create a here class with, let me say here sprayer. All right, sprayer here. And is it complicated to writing? Yes, it's really complicated. Okay, let me doing it to fast def init. We are definitely using here init for let me using here that again self. What is this Discord message? Okay, self and URL, because our work is at the URL, and the self URL is we were doing here the same thing what we were doing before, right? So let me use it. All right, we are using here self URL and URL to here, and then is the another things again. Time to be create a function with def and the send we are doing all of things to here again. Same thing. So send request. All right, now we are not send request on the self and UID, we are sending request on the username and password. So this is too basic. Okay, username. No, so we have to be starting here the self. Definitely self, username, and the password. Yes, so here we have to be giving it. So our new function could be our send a request, username is password here, and then the session could be equal to here request session is over there, is could be laughing it like that. Okay, my post. Okay, time to be checking into my post. Okay, request result is could be or equal to session dot get, and then self dot is over here. We have to be given it self dot URL. All right, self dot under dash URL is could be definitely like that, and match it. If it's matched, could be search at our yes var my post. Okay, equal to all the tabs here, so all the characters is could be characters at the 0 to 9, and then A to F plus. Yes, it's could be like that, right? So I think so. And then this could be like here plus plus parentheses, and then here we have to be using semicolon. Yes, like here, and then my postgre results could be added on the text. Yes, not on the binary, it could be on the text. Alright, so my postk have to be now equal to matched group 1. Now this for if it's to correct and the login data, we have to be calling login data here. Alright, so we have to be checking here the login data. Alright. Login data here. Alright, login data. So it could be or have a here username, and the password is definitely. So what is the another login login data is, let me look it, is a login. So this is submit. This is submit is equal to login. So submit, and then yes, the action and the URL, and then my postk. Okay, so now what is the username value is equal of this website is equal to username, right? And the password is equal to, no, we have to be using it here, password, and the submit page is equal to here login. You can check it with like that. Yes, they are using here the login, but it's not like that. It could be our, oh my god, so what's login? Yes, it's equal to that login. And the action is do login. yes, it's could be URL like that. The login and the URL, you have now access the URL here because it could be or different. It's definitely you have to be given here, and my postkey is equal to my postkey is equal to my postkey here, right? Definitely is like that. All right, let me check it. Now we are attributing login data here. Now what we are doing here, we are just to create a function with username and password, and give them my postkey the old value here, and give it the login data of here is over there. Now it's time to be the another things here we have to be checking into the login request result could be equal to session post self URL, and the data could be equal to here login data, right? Okay, we are just calling here the brute force attack pattern call print f, definitely have to be using it, print f is equal that, and then trying user, this is for the message, and if it's we have to be to giving here the function variable, we have to be definitely using it username at this on this function, and then f this could be like here, and if it's gonna be is not true, and it with equal to or okay, if that is not correct, for example, let me checking here linear algebra and checking it. No, the black cat. No, how can I? Alright, so we're here. Please correct the following before continuing. Alright, it's actually giving us this the error message for the here, and if the error message is equal that, you have to be not in at the login request result at the tags here. All right, print is definitely could be our print again, and f I'm using here again it font valid credentials from credential, and it's could be equal to username is password, right? Yes, username and again here password here like that is definitely okay. That's really cool because our code is ending right now. So the most easy to here we have to be create the main function, like their main function, def main function, we have to be using it, and then we have to be giving here the URL, and our URL is what's the login page is now equal to member.php, so the URL is equal that, and then a sprayer. We have to be doing it what we were doing before. Sprayer, we are not enumerator, but we have to be using here sprayer. Alright, let me using here sprayer like that, and it's going to be equal to here sprayer at URL. Yes. Now list to password. Yes, list password is equal to, we are creating here the list for the password, and Oh my god. Really? Linear algebra, and the password is try hacking. We got them before, if you remember. Let me go to report panel.php. It's over there. Let me go report panel.php. Yes. This weak password is over there. Where is the weak password? It could be on the critical. Yeah. Yes, is there. Is it not? Yes. The password. Password 123 Windows XP James 2 123 is over there. And the or password list is could be or equal that, but we have to be give it all of one to this, right? Yes. Alright, this is or the password list for the credential weak password. Okay. Yes, it could be like that. Alright, we are creating the password list is over here with the list command. That is really cool. And then the user word list is definitely is equal to user word list is equal to what we are save it here is username.txt is definitely here. Alright, it's time to be open this username txt file, and how it's gonna be the available it is could be our with open. Alright, user word list, oh my god, user word list with readable as file is definitely for line in file. This could be for line in file. Username could, oh my god, this username is could be equal to line.strip. Okay, and then for password in list password what we are creating above, we are using here treat command for the again treat the how we are using treat before. Target is equal to sprayer, and then send request, and then or arguments is equal to here username and password. Username and password. This could be like that. Okay, and then you have to be starting here treat start. Are we gonna be using here threat mail at the above? I don't know. Yes, we are using, but we are now using something different. We have to be at them and then giving here select function. Alright, let me give in here 0.05. Alright, it's I think it's okay. And then so the last thing is name is equal to main is could be equal to main like that. Alright, so let me check it like that. Oh my god, what, oh my goodness. Alright, controller save it, but before the control save it we have to be adding here some module. Alright, definitely we are using here time import from time import slip, and then import ra here. Alright, let me controller save it, and then Python each attack that Python line 50 treat start at the line to retreat start. This could be our retreat start. What? What is wrong? Oh my god. If you don't know how to code the Python, you will never be doing hacker. You will never be hacker. Okay. Okay. So let me use this code. Alright, ChatGPT is fix it for me. Controller save. Then again. Yes! Yes, 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 yes. Alright. Our brute force attack Python code is working now. We are already found the valid credentials. We are already found here valid credential. We are already find here valid credential. Yes, 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 yes. All right. So, ls creds.txt, and then time to be actually here, guys. Save it, clear. All right, cat credential.txt. All right. So I'm using here Arnold Bagger. So before do this, I think we have to be analyzing the members here. Who is the Arnold Bagger? So we have to be go to team here, right? Okay. Moderators. The Arnold Bagger is moderator, and we found Arnold Bagger credential here. Okay. We found here credential about this here Arnold Bagger. That's really cool. Alright, let me log in, and then it's definitely our username is Arnold Bagger, and the password is LuisFactor05. It could be like that. Alright, let me log in into. So this has happened. We hacked this moderator. We hacked this moderator. Panel is over here directly. So we have to be checking hit interested plugin here, right? Alright. That is really cool, guy. That is really cool. Arnold Bagger. Yes. User with CP. What we have to be doing, looking into here. Your last tweet. Test the automobile security hardening. I think it's giving us nothing here directly. Poll manager plugin added. Nope. Buying 300 servers. Thank you, buy budget. Okay. Inbox unread. Updates. The data received. Big poll. Alright, let me read it. Send items. There is too many send items here. New plugin test. We have to be checking into some new plugin is over here. I don't know. All 3 again. General announcement. Thanks for the update. Gmail. I think we have to be analyzing to Arnold Bagger page here. I don't know. Let me check into attachments. There's an old testing zip, Linux core.gpk file, and the curious gpk here. I don't know, guy. I don't know. I don't know how what we have to be doing here. I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what we have to be doing here. I found here testing zip. So what does it? The specific attachment does not exist. So I think at the Arnold Burger we have to be looking into plugin. Alright. Well to what? Alright. Update. Is there any different directory? It could be like that. I think we have to be looking into. Issue, there is no directory or the link. Now there is no link again. Plugin test. Pull is handling at the moment as it's come to back, so I'm trying to sort out. Oh my god, I don't know. No plugin test. Should we checking into new plugin test? Okay, there is nothing new plugin test. Okay, we found here some different again directory. So let me say thing. It's equal to dev builds. Alright, we have to be going here dev builds, I think, is it? So let me go to here dev builds. It could be like here. Yes. Alright, guys, we're finding something different. Alright. What is name of the interface of plugin? Is dev builds? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know. So, but I'm not interested at this. Try hack me. Mod manager one plugin. There is nothing. It's just giving us absolute. Maybe it could be or important. So that let me save it. And the wall tree is unreleased, but I think there is not important, but I want to be actually save it as a 1.2 plugin file is over there directly we are finding here. Okay, so we have to be actually understanding here what does code meaning. I don't know what's code meaning here. So, but I think it's our mod manager is a vol2, right? Yes, that is correct. And I think this is or giving us nothing here, right? So why we're using it? There is no important. Is there any important directory or something like that? I'm just looking into it. I don't know. Yes, we have to be working with this MySQL because at the Nmap scan we are gonna be seeing here there's MySQL port is open here, but there is no port is open. There is no more port is open, I think, to here because that could be or take it too much, and I found nothing. Really. I don't know, guys. I don't know what we have to be doing here. I don't know. SQL.p.txt. Let me ask this the chat GPT. What does it means? p2x gpk, and this is really different because gpk file, right? We have, I don't know how to be using gpk file to here, but it could be or different things to here. Or control U? No. Really don't know. There is nothing important again. So what's the next position? I don't know. I really don't know. Again, we have to be checking into report panel PHP. Alright, let me use a controller U, and someone told me there is a... Alright. It's giving us kmaker message, and then some different directory is over there. Yes. Alright, what does it mean? Copy and go here, CyberChef. Alright, so you are looking for how to chip your decrypt and encrypt working. Okay, so let me giving it. So it's giving us kmaker. Okay, kmaker we have to be using here. Alright, kmaker message, and the kmaker message is equal that. A to Z 64 cheaper letter number code. Okay, decrypt it. A permutation is only the English letters will open the lock's address. Okay, so there's it could be a different directories looking like, so we have to go this directory. I don't know, so let me go. Yes, we found here different directory, guys. Okay, so what is the name of the encrypt file that you found? So before the encrypt file that you found, we have to go again dev builds here, copy, and then go there, and we found your ptxt and gp key. It's p.txt and gp key, and then the kmaker is equal that. No, yes, we found the kmaker. All right. So if you're checking into at the controller U for this server, for this URL, let me using your controller U, and when you checking at this controller U, you will see there are some different Chinese letter, but the kmaker is just giving us English letters below, and the kmaker is giving us to here a permutation is only the English letters will open the lock address. So that means we have to be checking here English letters. And what is the English letters is over here. There is some O. Okay, let me save it. Alright, to here. It's could be a like here. Alright, O, and then F, X is X, V is Y, yes, Y, and then G, and the Q. Alright, we are finding here Q, right, is over there. So we finding here different the O, F, X, V, G, Q to here, but so they are actually telling us to here we have to be correct this GPK file what we are finding at the developer builds directory. We have to be correct this, but I think it's could be is able to let me install at my, so there's a like to write in here, and then and then it's I think it's able to be the install at or credential is over there directly. Alright, so now it's time to be cracked it, but with just only permutation is only the English letters, but we don't know. It's time to be again write a Python code. I don't want to be using Python code, so I'm just want to ask it is to ChatGPT combine them all and save the letter .txt with Python code. It could be our 720 words. It could be like here. What is the file name? What? This one. You have to be combined. Really? I did it before, so I'm gonna be using it. Okay. So let me go here, sublime tags, and then the combine dot Python. So let me save it here, and then the word is or letter is equal that, and the word then is equal that. So we are giving not output txt. So let me give here the letter dot txt. Alright, controller save it, and if I'm gonna be run it, Python 3 letter no combine.python. So it will giving us letter.txt, but for the checking into how many words is here, there's an 7300, and that is correct because the is let me show you as 6. I don't know what does it mean. It's equal to 7200, and that is correct. So now time to be crack the GPK file is over there. So our goal is crack this, but before to crack this, we have to be to change it with the hash, and the crack with the hash is definitely. So I'm gonna be show you is not hash. So let me show you crack. All right, and then we have to be crack this GPK file. And then we are just using here user as binary GPK to John for the crack for crack file. So if I'm gonna be saying here the crack, it's actually is giving us the here the file with the crack, the rename with the crack. Now it's time to be crack it John crack with this dash word list is equal to is letter.txt. Loaded one password hash. Alright, there is a password, but it's not correct because I got it before. Why is not to crack it? Oh my god, I don't wanna be. I don't want to be write the Python code again, but is again really? All right. Let me code it one more time to Python code. Sublime tags crack. All right. Crack. And then sublime tags crack. Python. Alright, now it's time to be again write a Python code. Oh my god, it could be hard. It could be hard. Anyway, so I'm using here from ITER tools. We are using here now from ITER tools. Import permutations. Import cn and pg. Alright, class is brute forcer. We are now creating here again class brute forcer, or class name is equal to brute forcer, and def is definitely is in it again is to inject the self. And now it's not URL, it's equal to letters, right? Yes, it's letters. And then self letters is equal to letters. Alright. Now time to be again create a function here is generate permutations at the self. And then it's could be equal to return list at the permutations self letters like here definitely. And def is could be over here, def brute force, creating here brute force function, brute force, and this could be definitely equal to here self and permutations, and then gonna be home, and then encrypted. We have to be encrypted here GPK file. Yes, encrypted GPK file, and decrypted GPK file again. Decrypted GPK file. Yes, and the GPK file is copy or equal to Juan GPK, and the GPK again gonna form is this not be gonna form here, right? Like that is definitely all right. Definitely for the permutation in permutations, yes, here the password password is equal to into the single quotation mark, because of we have to be joined at the permutation, and then the print f trying, let me erasing here, trying password at the password. We are just looking for the password here, and we have to be ending with it's definitely is a \r, right? Yes, and now it's time to be, we have to be open list. With open we have to be GPK file encrypted GPK file here. We have to be open encrypted GPK file here. With this, readable is over there as file. It's just readable, not writable, and the result could be equal to GPK decrypt, and decrypt file. Let me use it. It is attribute to here. It could be here the file, and then passfair. It's definitely passfair. It could be equal to password, and then the output could be equal to decrypted GPK file here directly. Right? Yes. If results is to giving us is true, if the result is the true, please print here f yes, it's no, it's we have to be using here the minus found correct password. No, it's a passfair. Sorry, passfair. And then the passfair is equal to, you know, the password here. Password. Yes, here. Definitely. And then return it. No, like it could be like here. Password. And then return it. Return the true is definitely. So, or is we are just giving it how the GPK file is open here, and then decrypted it. Now it's time to be is easy way def main. Alright, def main. Why? What? Def main is def main. What? Or letters is equal to that one, right? Or letters is equal that. Copy this and then give the letters here. Brute forcer is equal to definitely brute forcer at the letters. We are brute forcer at letters here, and then the list permutation we are actually giving us this permutation of the files. Permutations is equal to brute forcer dot generate permutations here, and then if you're to here, guys, remember we are attribute to some value. Home is equal to no, is if there is where where is my GNOP key? Locate GP GNOPG home Elliot GNOPG. Alright, GNOP home is at the GNOPG. So that is correct now, and the encrypted GPK file is equal to here, right? Let's say ls p.txt.gpk file, and then the encrypted GPK file is could be r equal to decrypted .p.txt is over here, and the brute forcer for the brute force list permissions is GNP home, and then encrypted GPK file and decrypted GPK file here, and the another is equal to if name right here. Control copy and control save it, control save. So Python 3, what's my crack that Python? Did you mean GPK? Yeah, where is it? So give this to ChatGPT to fix my code, and I want to be fixed. Here is the corrected code snippet. Alright, it's actually is writing for us again. So I'm adding here the one or where is ChatGPT is over there, right? Yes. So let me open it, controller save it, and then let me try the password is like here. Oh my god, this video is really hard to thinking of me. It's really hard, this video. I don't know, guy, I don't know. The cybersecurity is really hard. I just want to show you that. We are not just hacking the Instagram, Twitter, Gmail like that. We are doing really hard things. We are doing really complicated things. It could be here there's the over the 1 hour, and if you want to be a cybersecurity researcher, you have to be sitting on this couch is like more than 10 hours. Okay. Where's my water? Found correct password. We found correct password here. Yes, we found here correct password. Alright, now we can checking into correct password here. And then, so how can I open? Alright, it's already open here. Yes, decrypted.ptxt is over here. Cat decrypted txt. SQL password is equal to my secret password. Oh my god, we found here my SQL password here directly. Alright, so now it's time to be running here SQL password with the SQL password, this credential. and -h we have to be giving here the host. Our host is equal that. -u username is mod, and the -b for the password. So we have to be giving the password is over there directly. And if we are do this, and if it's correct, we hack them the databases. We hack them databases here. So the first thing at this SQL databases, you have to be using here show databases. Yes. Information schema, mod manager role to MyBB, MySQL performance schema. So let me go in here, mod manager role 3. So use mod manager role 3. Okay, database changed with mod manager role 3, and then time to be is actually looking for, we have to be looking for show tables. Sorry. We have to be checking at the exit or the quit. Alright, show again, show databases. Alright, use mod manager role 3. And then show tables here. Select from members. Now, if we want to be to hanging out at the SQL databases, you have to be knowing the SQL injection. You have to be knowing SQL software. Yes, we funding login K. We funding login K here, guy. We funding login K. Oh my gosh. So actually, we are doing here all of the things of this website. We are code Python code for 4 times. And then we are using with this brute force attack. Oh my god! So SQL injection, all of things here we are doing here. It's really hard. It's really hard. You know. It's not easy. So let me go here, members. So the before team. I think we have to be correct the super moderators. Yes, I think we have to be correct super moderators. I don't call her. Alright. His UID is equal to 7. And then let me using here inspect. Now go here storage. And then my BB user is equal to is 7 because her or his UID is equal to 7. Why we are giving is a 7 here. And then now it's time to be go one more time. Looking for black cat, and time to be copy black cat login K, and give the login K black cat is over there, and then controller A. Now we are black cat is over here. That is really correct. So what is LE login K is equal that. It's LE login K. Alright, oh my gosh, it was hard. It was hard, and there is no more. There is no more. And then there is too many things we have to be doing. There is too many things we have to be doing, guy. Really? Alright, so now we are at the moderator of this website. We are actually hacked the old website server is over there. We are hacked the old web server. We have their to users usernames and password. We hack them. Actually there the users who is the moderator, and we are now super moderator panel, and the just one thing we have to be doing it is hack the developer is it's actually they're using here MyBB, and we have to be hack this developer. I mean, so admin panel is over there. So let me go here, the user CP. So this is black cat, post 4, and reputation is 0, email is equal that, and registration date is here, and moderators. Alright, from the update, hello all, we have finally updated from the nice of dark then find it as your I hope you like it. All PC repairs offer it, and we are config issue Linux box or hardware using it. PC build we are to help contact either on mods is no problem. Compose, no, I don't want to be confused. Inbox, new plugin task. Alright, we write it before. Unread, there is nothing. Send items, new plugin task. Okay, we read it before. Drafts, trash can, tracking. Alright, added folders, nothing here. Add a profile, change username, change password, change email. Okay, group memberships, super moderator and moderator. Manage attachments. Alright, we found here something. Hardware token GPK. Alright, is over there. Dev tool zips, release txt. This is release txt is over there. SSH TOTP. Alpha is working good, but is SSH TOTP I think is algorithm. Alright. Low level SSH diagram. Okay. Input share secret token, share between client and server. Virtual time simulator. Okay, it's could be your XOR function, and then already is country A, country B, and they are using to here algorithm for the SSH. Oh, alright. They are using here algorithm for the SSH. Oh my god, it's really insane. For difficulty is really insane. You know, it's insane, you're right? Yeah, it's difficulty is equal to insane, I think, guy. We have to be again coding Python code, but with the algorithm on the SSH TOTP. I don't know, can I do that? It's testing zip. Hardware token GPK file is over there. And testing.png. Arduino ng, Arduino USB, and Arduino Uno. And shared secret tokens. Okay, we are finding here shared secret tokens for SSH TOTP testing document. Again, time to be code Python for SSH. Really, the SSH TOTP. Time to be SSH like it might be using UTC time zone. I know. You are using SSH TOTP algorithm here. Oh my god, it could be or hard. I think it could be our OSINT skills. We have to be using here OSINT skills here, I think. Alright, site is github.com and I'm looking for matrix. Matrix. Oh, we find a matrix brute force Python file here. Oh my god, it's working, guy. Yes, we are now able to we are using our awesome skills and found the Python code here directly. There is no time to be coding again. Oh my god, I'm really happy for that. I'm really happy for that. So now we have to be using it, right? Oh my god, it's really cool. Well, if I'm gonna be using it, curl. Oh my god, that's not could be like there. Yes. So I think we can decopy this and the pseudonym tags matrix.python. Oh, there's a 2-minute Python file, guy. So now we have to be fix it. So the shared secrets token is over there. We have to be given it. Well, if I'm gonna be click here, it's 12893 12893 12893. We don't want to be using it. Okay, so let's sync your image to txt. PNG file, documents, matrix. Oh, it's on the, yeah, that's correct. We have to be going here, $cp testing zip to matrix here, and then unzip testing zip here, and testing PNG. Alright, please convert it. Alright, there is a shared secret tokens is over there. We found it, and then I think we have to be save it here. No, my God, it's really triggered. Control copy. Controller copy and save it here. Controller copy and save it here again. Alright, now it's copy this and then give it here. Alright, copy this and then give it here, and then copy this and then give it here definitely. And the user is equal to architect, and our host we have to be giving reverse host here. Reverse host is equal that. It's definitely. And controller save it. Do you know other things we have to be changing here? I don't know. So I just want to be giving here the controller save. Alright, Python 3 matrix.python. Alright, this definitely we have to be giving here a quotation mark. Controller save it again. And run it. Alright, it's trying for us 1 of 1, and when they finding SSH password with this and the SSH OTP, we have to be waiting for it. Yes, SSH pass -p is the architect that is over there. Let me copy this and then please run it here directly. Why is not working? Oh, it's giving us nothing here. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. No. Really? It's giving us nothing here. The password is equal that. Yes, guy. Alright. We hacked them SSH. Yes, we hacked them SSH server. Oh my God, we hacked them SSH server here. Oh my God, I think it's really. I think it's really hard, insane room. Alright, we now hacked this SSH. It's time to be privilege escalation. This is easy way. Alright. This is really easy way, guy. This is really easy way. We hacked them SSH server. Now it's time to be easy way to hack them. The privilege escalation is over here directly. We are doing all of things here. So basics, and this is the basics. The code checking and double ls-la. Hello visitor.txt. Alright, cat hello visitor.txt. Let me guess, you are here because you wish find a way of the matrix. How predictable. Very well, listen carefully. You are merely the 9 incarnation. That means there have to be other so-called physical version before you that attempt to achieve your end goal. All have failed, believe me. Therefore, so value in this version of the matrix. How do I know this? I am the architect, the creator of this engineering vault which places over your eyes. Yes, my calculations are indeed correct. However, there is an incidental truth and I am willing to convey to you. That is, there is minor glitch and you are glitch. I have maliciously been trying to patch this inconsequential equation and I will eventually. Thus, I suggest you turn back now and continue with your normal life, human, the architect. You are not scare me. You are not scare me. Alright, now it's time to be to show my the privilege escalation skills. It's definitely before we have to be using sudo-l, but the password is always changing with the 60 seconds, because you know with the time zone is always changing at the 60 seconds, so we cannot using here sudo-l. So the another things is the most to here guy important is the find-perm. If that's find-perm is equal that and the tool is larger than developer and null, we have to be using it for the privilege escalation here. And if you're checking it, we finding here user binary pandoc so different. When I doing the privilege escalation, I always seeing here add past stability and new group, but I never seen before to here guy is equal to pandoc. So we have to be using here the pandoc, I think. So let me go here and then give to binaries file. Yes, is over there is definitely. And now we are just looking for pandoc, right? Pandoc. I think it's could be or is able to bit to crack it with the sudo file echo data sudo pandoc dash t plane dash o to local file here. All right. This is something different. The person is here, so let me using it. All right. So, CP. All right, they are using here CP etc. I'm really turret. So I'm gonna be trying here CP etc pass stability to TMP. All right, that is. Oh my God, that's working here. And then open SSL I'm gonna be using for this for create the password for me and open SSL pass WD. So let me give my password is password, and this is my new password here. All right, this is my new password. Okay, this is my new password here. So if I'm gonna be doing it at this terminal, yes, it could be like that. What the fuck is this? I don't know what the fuck is this. It could be like that. No. Now we have to be check it TMP and then the password mode is there password mode. It could be like here. Nope. Alright. CD TMP. Let me go. Is it here password? So let me creating here passwd as mode, and then we have to be giving here the etc passwd file to here. I think. What do you know? Control X and then ls cat passwd. Yes. So I think we have to be copy this and then nano again the passwd modes and give this. It's definitely a lot of things to here. And for this the last line you have to be I think add to here pivnet and it could be R or password is over there like here. I think. What do you think? And then This could be like that. I think it's how is root is working. Zero and zero to pivot and root binary bash. So we are doing for to checking like here root. So let me ask this to ChatGPT. All right, here. All right, let me ask this to ChatGPT here. Where's my code is over there, right? Is it correct? Yes. Is it correct? Yeah, is it correct to save it? Oh my god, I don't know. Controller O and controller X I'm gonna be using here. Okay. Now time to be using gift of beans at the pandoc. Alright, now it's time to be we have to be using it, I think, right? So how we can use it? Cat is definitely etc. Now is no etc is on tmp passwd. Where's passwd mode? Oh my god. No. Are you sure? Alright, pivnet is equal to here. Is could be or pivnet is could be or equal that is over there, right? Okay. So now we have to be using 0 again semicolon 0. It could be like here. Yes, and the root bin bash. It could be like here. Oh my god. Fuck. This is our password. And this is the other value is over there. Yes. Bash, Control O, and yes. I want to be change it. Is it permission denied error? Oh my gosh, really? No. Alright, cat. No, we cannot it right here. Permission denied. Oh, I don't know. Let me check it. How it's possible. Matrix. Yes, this could be like here. Let me look it for another user. CP, okay, etc passwd here, okay, and then open SSL passwd. So I'm using here, for example, normal. All right, this is now is for the normal password, right? And the nano password passwd, we control X, okay, have to be copy this, and the nano password again, cat passwd, yes. And now is pandoc, using here pandoc passwd dash t plain and dash o etc passwd here. I think it's okay. So root and our password is normal. Yeah, guy. All right, we are doing here pledge escalation directly. Where is the root.txt? It's hard. It's hard. Alright. This is hard. This is really hard machine. Okay, time to be using root.txt, I think here. Find and then dash name with could be our root, like here, and then you're just looking for tool is larger than developer and null. Now we are just looking for the roots file at this SSI server. This is something txt or Python file. I'm just actually wondering. There's we found root.python file. Oh, this is really hard. You know, okay. Cat yes, we are now have some different credential here. The flag real word. Oh my god, we have to be run it. Root.python. I think we have to be run this command here. Python 3 root.python progress. Okay, pip3 install progress. Loading. Loading. Oh my god, I have no charge. My battery has done for this room. Yes, we found here the flag. Okay, what is this ACP pin for admin? Alright guys, we are actually doing all of things here about the cybersecurity. What we're doing, we are gathering information about port and protocol and checking for the here guys on directory and other things. We are recording Python code and doing all of things here, but there is two more we have to be doing. And then I think we have to go here for answering the another question is here directly. So let me go here, the etc file, and there is too many things you will see understanding here like that, because we're finding at the root of Python is over there. So it's could be checking here the big ball txts, you can see there like here big ball txt. And ADC pin is equal that, and a big Paul I love my wife and girlfriend is like here, right? So now we have to be doing it ACP pin with this Python command. So let me open here the Python command in here, like here Python 3, and then the print. It could be like that, right? Print, and then we have to go there, and our first value is equal that, and then it could be our minus, and the second value is equal there, is over there, and the plus with this number. Okay, what is equal to is equal that, right? And then we found this EDC pin here directly is over there. So this is two basics how we can check it like here. And then you know the big Paul password is, and you will see their big Paul password is I love my wife and girlfriend. So let me copy this and go to here to log in. So we have to be doing here, I think is on logout from the black cat. And if I'm saying here big Paul for the password, we have to be check it, and then we are gonna be using here admin cp and go to here my pp is we have to be checking here username is big Paul and password is I love my wife and then the girlfriend, and the EDC pin is equal that. And then guys, we are now hacked. Actually their admin panel is over here directly, and then we are looking here, the flag is over there, you will see there the flag here, right? All right, we are actually doing here, there's two to the easy things about the cybersecurity. So the cybersecurity is not actually correcting someone and hurt someone is correct someone Instagram. We are doing it is really difficult, insane like this shit. Alright, so this is the end of the video, and I'm really appreciative watch this video for you, and thank you for watching.